Okay, now you can see I've finished the navbar, or nearly finished the navbar. There's 4 buttons there that all work, and in here I've just imported the last image to make button number 5, but with this one I'm going to do it slightly differently. First of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a hotspot over it, like so. So this will be a clickable area that we can alter in some way. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to Modify and Pop-up menu. So add a pop-up menu. So in here, what this is going to do, it's going to create a simple drop-down menu. So let's say we could have links, like that. And the link in there, what you could do is you could prepare the page basically. So if I type in there links.htm, then in Dreamweaver I can create that links.htm page. And then what shall we put in this one? Let's have fans, and we'll have a fans.htm page as well. Okay, we move on to these tabs. You can alter the appearance of the things. That's what it's going to look like at the minute. Advanced, you can change the various border colours and the shadow and the border colour and the border width and the highlight and everything about the drop down menu. And then position, you can decide whereabouts you want it. Do you want it below the actual nav bar itself? Then click done. You can still change it a little bit, because quite simply you can grab all of these things, you can move them around and put them wherever you want to put them. Let's just do that, and there you can see I can make it so that basically drops down wherever I want it. Okay, let's press F12, have a look at it. Okay, let your ActiveX controls work. Yep. And now when I go over here, I get my links to fans and what have you. These all work as we had them before. Okay, everything as we want it. Let's get rid of that. Now what I want to do is I want to export that into my actual Dreamweaver page. To do that, I'll say export the HTML to Dreamweaver, just there, and I've got to find out whereabouts I'm saving my work. So it's going in the Gauze folder there, and I've already created a folder to save all the navbar images and JavaScript etc. into. So I'll just open that up and then click save. Now what that does is that writes in all those images and JavaScript etc. into that folder. Let's have a quick look on Dreamweaver now. And here I've got a basic page layout. In the navbar you can see there's huge quantities of it. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is just here, I'll just centre that, and then I want to import the navbar I've just made. So I'll go to insert image objects, in this case fireworks HTML. Okay, and I'm going to browse for the particular file that I want. Now the one you're looking for is the Internet Explorer one. That's the placeholder for the whole shooting match. Click OK, and there you go. Now it doesn't actually work obviously until you press F12, so let's press F12. It'll ask me to save. Yes please. And there you get, just allow that, yeah, and there you get your first example of your actual navbar on an actual web page. Okay, so there you go, that's your drop down menus, your various different buttons, and exporting the stuff from Fireworks onto Dreamweaver.